Let's be honest. Most financial advice online sounds like this. Just invest better. Just make more money. Just start a side hustle. But real life isn't that simple. Most people don't fail with money because they're lazy. They fail because nobody ever explained the simple truths about how money actually works in everyday life. The kind of truths that don't sound exciting, but quietly determine whether you end up stressed about money or calm about money. Today's video isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about understanding the small, simple principles that create financial freedom over time. This is Money Matters, simple truths for financial freedom. Welcome back to the Simple Finance School, the channel where we explain money, behavior, and the economy in plain English. No jargon, no fake gurus, no pressure to get rich fast, just real ideas that help you build a stronger financial life. Truth number 1, your habits matter more than your income. One of the biggest lies people believe is, if I just made more money, all my money problems would disappear. But in reality, income doesn't fix poor financial behavior. It just amplifies it. If someone struggles with spending at $40,000 a year, they often struggle with spending at $80,000 a year too. That's why you see people with high-paying jobs still living paycheck to paycheck. Financial freedom isn't built by income alone. It's built by habits. Habits like spending intentionally, avoiding lifestyle inflation, thinking long-term instead of short-term, being aware of where your money actually goes. Your habits shape your results more than your paycheck ever will. Truth number 2, most purchases are emotional, not logical. People like to believe they make rational money decisions, but most spending isn't logical, it's emotional. We spend because we're stressed, we're bored, we want status, we want comfort, we want validation, we want to feel successful. Companies understand this deeply. That's why marketing is designed to trigger emotion, not logic. Limited time offers, luxury branding, social pressure, influencer culture. If you don't understand your own emotional spending patterns, money will always feel harder than it should. Financial freedom starts with self-awareness, not spreadsheets. Truth number 3, clarity beats complexity. A lot of people avoid dealing with their money because it feels overwhelming. They think they need complicated apps, advanced spreadsheets, deep financial knowledge, expert-level strategies. But the truth is much simpler. You don't need complexity. You need clarity. You need to know how much comes in, how much goes out, what you actually value, what you're working toward. Most financial stress doesn't come from lack of money. It comes from lack of clarity. When you don't know where your money is going, everything feels out of control. Clarity creates calm. Calm creates better decisions. Truth number 4, financial freedom is mostly psychological. When people hear financial freedom, they imagine luxury, big houses, fancy cars, exotic travel. But real financial freedom is much quieter. It looks like not panicking when an unexpected expense appears, not feeling trapped in a job you hate, not feeling constant anxiety about bills, being able to say no when you need to, sleeping better at night. And this freedom isn't built by chasing money. It's built by managing your relationship with money. People with unhealthy money psychology can earn more and still feel stressed. People with healthy money psychology often feel calm even with less. Money is emotional before it's mathematical. Truth number 5, the most powerful skill is delayed gratification. One of the strongest predictors of long-term financial success is extremely simple: the ability to delay gratification. Being able to say, I could buy this now, but I won't. I could upgrade my lifestyle, but I'll wait. I could spend for short-term pleasure, but I'm choosing long-term peace. This isn't about deprivation. It's about intentionality. Every dollar you don't spend impulsively becomes a tool for freedom, a tool for security, a tool for options. Most people don't struggle because they lack opportunity. They struggle because their impulses quietly control their decisions. Mastering delayed gratification is like giving your future self a gift every single day. Truth number 6, financial freedom is built slowly. Social media has completely distorted people's expectations around money. People think success should happen quickly. Wealth should appear fast. Progress should be dramatic, but real financial stability is usually boring. It's small improvements, consistent decisions, long-term thinking, quiet discipline, repetition. Not viral moments, not sudden breakthroughs, not flashy wins. Slow progress feels unimpressive in the moment, but over time it becomes powerful. And most people quit too early because they expect speed instead of consistency. Truth number 7. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Perfectionism kills financial progress. People think, I already messed up, so what's the point? I'll start again later. I'm just bad with money. And that mindset quietly keeps people stuck. But progress doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. You will mess up. You will overspend sometimes. You will make mistakes. That's not failure. That's being human. The real mistake is quitting every time things don't go perfectly. Financial growth happens when you keep showing up, even after a bad month, a bad purchase, or a bad decision. Small, imperfect actions repeated consistently beat perfect plans that never last. People who build financial freedom don't avoid mistakes. They recover from them faster. The difference is persistence. They don't restart their entire identity every time something goes wrong. They simply adjust and keep moving forward. Truth number 8. Your environment shapes your money decisions. Your environment quietly influences how you spend, often more than willpower ever could. The people you follow, the content you consume, the conversations you're surrounded by. If your daily input promotes luxury, debt, and instant gratification, restraint becomes exhausting. If everyone around you normalizes impulse spending and constant upgrades, resisting feels like swimming upstream. That's why financial growth often requires adjusting your environment, not just your budget. Unfollow accounts that trigger unnecessary spending. Consume content that reinforces long-term thinking. Surround yourself with ideas that make discipline feel normal, not extreme. Small changes in inputs lead to massive changes in outcomes over time. What you see every day shapes what you believe is normal. Truth number 9. Simplicity is sustainable. Complex systems are harder to maintain. Simple systems last. The more complicated your financial life becomes, the more likely you are to abandon it under pressure. Too many rules create friction. Too much structure creates fatigue. Simplicity reduces friction. Less friction means consistency. A simple system you stick to beats an advanced system you quit. Sustainability always matters more than sophistication, and consistency always wins. Truth number 10. Financial freedom is about options. Financial freedom isn't about never working. It's about having options to change direction, options to rest, options to say no, options to choose differently when life changes. Money gives you leverage over time and stress. And time is the most valuable asset you'll ever have. Money matters. Not because money is everything, but because money touches almost everything. Your stress levels, your relationships, your choices, your freedom, your future. You don't need hype. You don't need extreme strategies. You need awareness, honesty, and simple, consistent habits. That's how real financial freedom is built. Quietly, gradually, deliberately. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe to the Simple Finance School and tell me in the comments, what's one money habit you want to improve this year?